This video is on how to speed up your Moodle gradebook. If you've got a problem with your Moodle gradebook seeming really slow, this is how you can update it. If we look at this is not my class, but this class has a lot of stuff in it. And every single time that this gradebook is loaded, it loads all that stuff. However, if we scroll down to where Hidden and Zeroed starts, and we click on the three dots and we say show totals only, now every time this gradebook loads, you can see it only goes that far, and everything from hidden and zeroed is, well, these things are outside of it, but everything in the hidden and zero is completely collapsed, and it no longer tries to load all those items, making the gradebook load way faster. Obviously, the other thing we can do is make sure we've always got a group loaded, makes the gradebook load faster as well. And if it's going super slow and I want to get to it, I can always do something like a really small group, like my gifted group, and then do the same thing, because then it loads faster because there's fewer kids. Again, all I do is go there and make us say show totals only on the hidden and zeroed instead of all the items, and then your gradebook will load way faster after that. A little hint on how to get your Moodle gradebook to load and move much faster.